Now, in the next example, we are going to see how to emulate the device metrics. As in, this thing we have already seen in one of the example using the Chrome options, how we can set a screen to looks like iPhone X or iPhone 6. So same thing can be done with the help of dev tools as well. If you navigate to selenium.dev, and if you go to documentation, to WebDriver, and to Chrome DevTools, you're gonna see that you can override the device mode as well by providing these metrics. So as in, the very first thing is to create the DevTool session itself, and then these are the iPhone Pro dimensions given over here. Let's see if it works. If I right click over here, say test uh, device metrics. I'll just copy this and paste it over here, and then I'll try to get this code to see if it works. So what it's doing, we are sending emulation dot emulation. See, whenever you are importing this package, you need to make sure it should be based on the current Chrome browser version. Mine is 96, so I'll be importing the 96 one only, right? And then you need to import this optional. So optional is not getting imported. Let me check. So you can import it via Java util option. And then this thing is again gonna create some issues. So like I have this could be, I mean, due to some Java version clashing, but I've tried with JDK 8, JDK 11, 16, so still getting the same error. So what I did, there's an alternate way. If I don't want to use this, I can do it with one another thing as well. I can create a map of a string and object type, and I'll say device metrics equal to new hash map and string. This is again string and object type. And then what I'll do, I'll pass on these coordinates over here. Let me import this first. The coordinates are gonna pass is I'll be doing put first coordinate. I'm gonna give the width, and width I'll be giving it as 812, and then I'll again gonna do height. I'll be giving as, sorry, it's 375 and then 812. 375 is the width and height is 812, and then I'll be saying so this is for the mobile, and this should be a boolean value that is true, and the other one is device scale factor, and this should be 50. So these are a couple of arguments that we can provide via map, and then instead of setting device metrics like this, so these device metrics we can pass it with the help of one of the method called as driver dot execute cdp command. So if anything is not working directly via this method devtool.send, then you can send the same command. Say this set device metric override. So what I can do, I'll just copy this and I'm gonna pass this in a form of a string command. So I'll set this and then I'll be passing my device matrix. That's it. So this has to be cast with Chromium driver, one of the same thing. So Chromium driver is superclass of Chrome driver. And then that's it. Let's run this and let's see if it works. And again, you can see this is iPhone 11 Max Pro view that we are getting over here, right? So this is how you can use your DevTool commands, your CDB commands, and then you can emulate the device view, the device matrix. You can set the device matrix accordingly, right? So that's all in this example. Thank you.